Hi, good morning everyone. So let's move on to class. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. So last class we had discussed, right? So how to use that is a connection provisioner and also provisioner remote exec. So once our uh, echo is I'm getting 1 minute, right? So once you launched instance, so how to connect the instance and also how to execute some of execution script in our instance, right? So already we seen, right? Just may reiterate. Here this is right. So yesterday already we used. So how to use? So this is a resource. This is a provider, and this is a main resource. So actual resource. This is the resource. Under this resource we used connection. So this is the connection, and so here we connected our instance and all. But this is actually sub block. This is the main block. So this is your actual resource and all. See, resource equal to aws underscore resource. This is our main block, and so this is our sub block. Once instance is created, once instance is ready, just I am connecting with the help of connection. Connected with the help of connection, with the help of connection. And once we connected, so there is a provisioner, right? So last class we discussed provisioner remote exec. So perform the and remote system. I want to do some actions. I want to execute some commands on my remote machine. So this is the inline. So under the inline, so whatever commands, these all are same Linux commands only. So whatever commands you have to execute, so that and all we have to pass under the inline. So already last class we seen and everything working fine also. Now same thing, let me modify one thing. Mm, if you go to here, let me log in my account. And so Terraform is right two states, right? Desired state and current state. Now if you see here, I don't have anything, and let me run this one. Now come to here, right click, now git bash. So now Terraform already in it is a right plan. So if he is Terraform plan means now this is the plan what we are going to execute. So your plan is only one, and if you go here, so what resource we are going to create. So I hope everyone know this is same thing only. Create instance type will be create, and what is the instance type and what is the key name and whatever we added here. So everything it is executing here only. Now once this is done, let me run it. So Terraform apply hyphen auto approve auto approve. So now see here, I executed first time. I hope everyone know, right? First it will create that instance. Same steps. First it is creating our instance. Once the instance is ready, and with the help of connection sub resource, this is a main block, this is a sub block, right? So with the help of this sub block, and we are connecting our instance and we are executing our script and all. Now let me see first. Now what is this is the first time, right? So now every all resource it is creating in our cloud. Suppose if I run same script second time, so what is happening? Anyone? I'm running first time, right? First time means I hope everyone know. So this is the desired state, this is the current state. I don't have anything, and desired state I want to create. See here it is instance is created. Once instance is ready, and it is connecting via SSH with the help of username and with the help of private key. Once that is done, and it is executing provisioner. Correct? This is the first time, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to modify, I am going to change something in my resource. Now how it will work? Now see here, one added. So there is two states, right? Current state and which one? Desired state. There is actually there is a, so Terraform is intelligence, right? Idempotent. Now generally it is two states, current state and desired state. Current state means hmm, current state, desired state.
Presently working, which is
See, yes, desired state. Now what you want, right? Current, what is the state? And desired means this is my desired. I want to execute so these resources and all. Now first time, right? There is nothing is there. So that is the reason everything it is created. Now, now again I am running same command. Apply, approve. Now what is happening? Now both, now tell me this this case how it will work. Now I am running same command, right? So now desired state and current state both are same, or is there any variation?
same,
Both are
same.
same. So now desired current state and desired state both are same. So that is the reason. See, Terraform it won't. There is no changes. Now got it? No changes. So if both are matched, desired state and current state, if both are equal, it won't do anything. Terraform is intelligent and also idempotent, right? So if both are same, again it won't create any resources and all. Again no need to create, right? Already it is existing. Why I need to again? Why I need to create again? So that is. So this is the behavior of Terraform. I hope everyone know. Now see here, Terraform has compared your real infrastructure against your configuration, and there is no difference. But that is means the current state and desired state both are equal, so no changes needed, no need to do anything. I hope everyone know up to this. Now what I am going to do is, you see here, for example, so I am going to do something. Someone is joined. Now what I am going to do, just I am going to update some changes in my script. For example, so here this is connection. I am not going to do anything. This is a sub block, and just I am giving so HTTPD server. Just I given test. Now in this case, now again it is checking, right? Now I modified something. I modified something. Again I am rerunning it. See here. So now Terraform apply auto approve. Now in this case, now tell me anyone. Now it is again it is refreshing your state, current state and your desired state. So everything same only. Just only what I need to update. I need to update only tag name, right? Correct. Earlier if we
Yeah.
see added. Earlier if we see zero added, zero changed, zero destroyed. Now just I updated my tag name. Now I execute same command, apply. Now in this case see here. So this is will be updated in plan, and this is your this is your, see here, what is ID resource, AWS resource, and 31 unchanged, and 8 so unchanged, and black only one to be changed. What is that? That is only your tag name. Remaining so it is creating anything? No, right? It is comparing.
Mm.
Here also we can understand. Now I am executing. So same command, that is one is changed. Now if you come to here, if you go to here, just refresh it. So anyway, that is running, right? So click on instances. So dashboard, running instance. Now see here, it is updated. So up to, I hope everyone got it. Now I'm going to do so my sub block. I'm going to update my sub block. So here I used, right, some connection and provisioner and all. Now in this case, how it will work? Now see here. Now try to understand. Now I'm coming to here. So this is my main resource, right? This is my actual resource, and this is my sub block. Okay. Now I'm going to do some updation here. Now see here, welcome to HTTPD server. Something I added, server test. I updated something. Now I'm saving here. I saved here. I am not updated anything in my main block. Just I am updating my sub block. Correct? Now come to here. Now use Terraform up, plan or approve whatever you want. Now I'm using plan also. Directly I'm running same command. Now observe here. So now I didn't change any my main block. Just I updated my here. Now it is refreshing state. Now see here. Now observe here. No changes. Apply complete and 0 added, 0 changed and 0 destroyed. But actually I changed, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now understand here. This is the concept here. Now I'm going to do explain. This is a concept. Earlier I changed something my tag name and all. It is checking my current state and my desired state. There is some changes and that is the reason it is updated my tag name and all. This is my main block. Correct. This is my main resource. This is your actual resource. So now here this is not my actual resource and this is a connection and a provisioner and all. If I modified anything here, now I want to run. So how it will execute? First time okay. That is a desired state and current state entire difference, and that is the reason it is executing step by step. But already my desired state, the actual state and all everything available in my all resources available in my cloud, right? Now just now I updated my this one, but so it is not executed. If you want to check it here also, we can check it. Now go to copy this public IP and we can see only old content only. We can't see anything new updation and all. See here, welcome to HTTP server. But what I updated here, welcome to HTTP server. I added extra content and all. Okay, and so this case, the provide Terraform people they are providing one null resource. Null resource. Null resource is nothing but right. It is not actual resource. Okay, now come to here. Enter also one or two people they asked. So null provider in Terraform. If we go here, if we go here, so this is a null provider. See here, null provider is a rather unusual provider that has constructed that the right intentionally do something. Now if you go here, there is a one right null resource. Resource name is null resource. This is the actual right so resource, null resource. See here, null resource implement the standard resource life cycle, but it takes no further action. So this is I am going to add so under the null resource, but is it actual resource? No, it is not a actual resource. And see here, there is one more triggers is there, trigger arguments. It allows specify an arbitrary set of values that when changed will cause the resource to be replaced. Now got it right. So this is not a actual source, the actual resource. It won't create any resource in your infrastructure. Correct? Yes, we are going to install some packages and all, and where it is not actual AWS resource. This is our packages, right? Our instructions. Now there is a one resource, null resource. Null resource means this is not actual resource and it won't do anything. It won't create any real resource in our cloud, in our provider. But if we change something in our script, I want to execute. So that case we need to use there is a triggers. That case we need to use the triggers. Now see here how it will work. Already everything they given here. This is the syntax. Resource and null resource, and we can give any your name, resource name. But this is not actual resource. Okay, now see here connections. And this is official documents, guys. If you want to, we can go through. This is the official document. Just no need to do anything. Just copy and paste it. And one more thing. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt here? Now, so as of now, this is the main block and this is a sub block. And if you use null resource, so you need to declare separate block. Now copy same thing, and so copy same thing, and so we need to use. You need to declare outside your main block. Outside your main block. So same thing. I'm going to copy and paste it here. I'm going to copy and paste it here. And so what resource? What is the resource name? I'm going to declare add one more line. Now see here, I'm going to declare one more line, resource and resource name. What is our resource name, guys? Null. Here you are using resource name, right? AWS underscore instance. This is my resource name. This is my actual resource. AWS underscore resource. Now I'm going to declare resource null underscore resource and resource name. We can use what is this? What is this? SSS. Something we can give any name. SSH and SSS null. Whatever you want. Okay, that's it. And started here, and we need to close here. That's it. Now, anyone any doubt? So this is the sub block. This is sub resource, but this is not your actual resource. It is acting like actual resource, but it is not actual. So this is our original resource. This is your actual resource AWS underscore. Now I'm going to do again. I'm going to do some modifications. Now see here, Control S, save, and so now I'm going to do right. Run it first. Run me. Now see here. Now it is going some error message. Now what error message? Inconsistent dependency log file. The following dependency selections recorded in the log file are so inconsistent with what you need to do. So actually we know, right, providers. So earlier we used providers. Now see here, null also one providers, guys. Now remember one more point here, and so Terraform providers. Terraform providers. So Terraform providers. If you come to here, as of now, you know AWS providers. If you click on here, if you click on user provider, so this is my providers, right? This is my providers. This is my our providers. See here, source equal to ASI Corporation AWS, and it is downloading that plugins and all. This is the provider name is AWS. Now here I am getting some error message. What error message? See here, provider registry.terraform.ASI Corporation null. Hey, actually you are using null resource, but required by this configuration, but no version is they selected. Okay, you declare null resource, but we don't have any plugin. We don't have any plugin related this resource. Now got it? That is the error message. Now just I declare null resource, correct? Here I separated. I declare null resource. Resource null underscore ref resource, and so I am giving some name and same code only. I didn't change any code. But while trying to run this code, it is asking. I have some error message. See here. So we need to upgrade. See here. Now how to check it here? Now even if you want to check it, null provider. Null also null provider. If we click on null provider, this is also one provider, guys. One provider. As of now, we are using AWS provider, right? Now see here null provider. So the null provider is a rather unusual provider that has construct that. See, if we click on this, now see here, Hasi Corporation. Now null. What is the provider name here? Null. What is the provider name here? Provider null, and our configuration and all. Now that is error. So if you want to clear that error, we need to add this one. So now no need this already. If you want to, we can add this script as well. And so already we have script, right? And inside this, there is given one more alternative option also. So now see here what they are giving. Just update the lock dependency selection to match the changed configuration. Run Terraform init hyphen upgrade. If you want to upgrade, just you added a null reference, right? Now if you want to download related null reference plugin and all, and we need to execute this command also. This is the one way. And what about other way? We can add this script also. That is whatever you want, we can use. Now clear guys, anyone any doubt here? I hope you got it right.
Yeah.
Okay, whether we can add this script or whether we can run this one command, whatever you want we can do. But anyway, already everything I have, right? I am using see here Terraform init and hyphen up grad upgrade. That's it. Now see here. Now it is downloading something. See here, installing ASI Corporation. The null plugin also 3.2.1. It is downloaded. See here, it is installed. It is installed. That's it. Or else we can add this one also. That is your wish. Whether we can add this script, we can add it, or simply they are providing one command, upgrade command. So upgrade. Okay. So already actual resource I added. Now just now I updated my null reference, null resource. Now that related plugin are not available in my machine. That is not downloaded. So what these people suggested, whether we can add this provider or we can use this command. See, update your local. See, Terraform init upgrade. If you use it is connected, it is downloading related null resource. That's it. Okay, now everything this is also done. Now let me run my command, apply command. What is happening? Now Terraform apply, Terraform apply and auto approve. Okay, now check it here. Now it is checking desired state and current state, and also I declare separate block. Now see here, null resource, null resource, null underscore resource shell will be created, and it is triggered something. I don't know what it is trigger. Now see here, added one added. Now see last metadata and checked and it is resolved. Now we check it whether really it is updated or not. Come to here, just refresh it. Now see here, whatever changes happening in our null resource, it is triggering or not. Now got it. Earlier we can see only HTTPD server. Now I modified. Now again running same command. Now how it will work. So now see here, I'm do some modification, one more modification, and so go down and test, right? Now I'm giving test one, control S, any modification, only testing, right? I did again I updated, again I'm coming to here, just give a Terraform apply, auto approve. Now see here, fail to parse command flag, the typo error. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Now write it, now run it. Now it is checking the refreshing state, the current state and desired state. So now here one more problem again. That is first time means it is updated. Again updated my same script. Now see here, 0 added, 0 changed, 0 destroyed. My script is executed or not? No, correct. Now got it right. Now it is executed or not? Now see here, you can understand
Executed.
here. It is not executed, right? I modified something, but that is not updated, correct? Now even if you come to here, just refresh it. Check it. Test one. It is coming or not? Coming. Now one more drawback. So now if I modified anything in our null resource, every time we have to change that name itself also. Now see here, this is null resource name. Now I'm giving one. Earlier I updated only here, but every time we need to change that name also. Now otherwise it won't work. Now see here, I give a null sh null one. Now I'm running it. Now see here whether it will run or not. So now it is checking refreshing state, and we modified something. Now it is executed. See here, destroyed. Again it is running our script. But this is also headache, right? If you modified anything your script, now see here, one added, that is existing destroyed, it is executed, that's commands and all. But this is also some problem, right? Automation means if you change something automatically I want to trigger, correct? If you modified anything your script, again we have to change this every time null resource name. This is also some problem, right? Real time. Suppose maybe I updated here, maybe might be so I will forget to update here also, correct? Understand or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So now how
Each
to
and every
overcome this?
scale.
Every time
Yeah,
we have
each
to
and every
update. This
time.
is also a problem.
Okay.
Now, so I don't want like that. If I modified anything, automatically I want to run the, I want to update the script. That's it. Now see here. If you go here, now we can see that test one. Refresh it. So now see here test one. Now, so to overcome this problem, now there is a right null resource, and null resource under the null resource they given one more tag. What is this? Triggers. See, if you add this trigger arguments, allow specifying an arbitrary set of values that changed. If any changes happening, if any changes happening, see here triggers. See here tag arguments, trigger arguments allow specifying an arbit separate values that when changed it will cause. If anything changes my script, I want to trigger automatically. Just copy and paste it. That's it. Copy this tag, copy this tag, and so go to your actual script. Okay, where is my null resource? So here, right? So under null resource, and just add this one. But this and all so no need. And so I'm using right based on timestamp. Now see here, if we come to here also we are modifying something, right? Checking so 20.00 ago, this is a timestamp and last metadata expire check, and we can see date and time. Now got it. Now see here, this is previous I modified. Now I'm removing this one, Control Z, and again I'm giving some changes here. Again I'm going to do some changes here. Now 2, I'm giving a 2, Control S. Now I'm running same command. Now we can observe timestamp. Apply auto approve. Now here August 16, 1, 12, 48 and 2023, right? Now see date and time. Now check it date and time. So now here also we can see that is destroying existing script and all, and it is executing. Now see here, this is 1 2, right? 1 12, 1 12. Now see here it is 1 12 and 22 0, some time variation. Now see here this is 22 58, and same thing if you come to here 20 02, and this is the 1 12 48 23. So 1 12 48 same August, that is Wednesday date and time, some variation. Now based on this time, whenever if you modify this script, whenever if you modify the script, automatically I want to update. So for that, so Terraform people they are giving one so method, that is the timestamp in line in right. So Jenkins also we can see timestamp in Terraform. This is also one so method available, so functions available in Terraform, and directly we can use this method. Now see here, so this is the timestamp. If you use timestamp, so based on your modification, so if whenever if you change, so based on this automatically it will trigger. Automatically it will trigger. This is the command, guys. So copy this command, timestamp command, and so the main purpose is so what type based on your modification. Now see here, timestamp returns UTC timestamp starting, and in the Terraform language timestamps are so conveniently so represent as a string using this and date and time format. Syntax used the timestamp return to the string in the format. The result of this function changes every second. Whenever if you change anything in our script, automatically I want to trigger like right build periodically. If we set Jenkins, we are setting some build periodically, we are setting right poll SM like that. But here there is a one so function available, timestamp function, and just copy that and paste it. Okay, and if you want to see, we can check that and all, how to use this one and all. If you go to here, so document and also somewhere we can say timestamp provider, and so under this is the time sleep static, and how we can use, this is the syntax. So this is the syntax triggers. Okay, under the triggers, now come to here, I am going to add where is that, control Z, y. Okay, let me copy this one first, triggers, and come to here, paste it here, and so no need this all thing, and so d alt equal to, just I am giving so that method, sorry, control that, where is that method, timestamp, right? So what is that method name? This method, timestamp. Okay, function name. Now come to here, just add it. That's it. So now see here. Now I'm going to use same thing. Now I'm going to modify something. Now see here. I'm adding a time added. Okay, timestamp. Just I updated it. Now, so now in this case, no need to update everything. This null resource name. Here, no need to update anything. Now just I saved, right? Let's run it. That's it. Now come to here, approve. Now see here, I modified my script and automatically it is triggering. Now see here, this is first time, right? Anyway, it is updated. Now I'm going to update one more time. See here, now go to here, come to here, just refresh it. Now see here, added timestamp. Now I'm going to again modify. Now again I'm going to modify same script, added timestamp. Just I given a second. Now understand whether it will execute or not. Now see here, Terraform apply hyphen auto. This is the whole story. I hope now you got it right. So why you go for null resource, and so what is the behavior of null resource and how it will execute. Now clear guys, or Srinath garu? Now got it.
Yeah.
So now everything automated. If we change something, so automatically I want to execute my script. Okay, so that case, so there is a subblock null resource. This is not actual resource. It is not going to create any resource in our actual AWS, right? This is only our script. So that case, so we need to add so null resource. So and also we need to declare separately, not in our main resource. We need to declare separately. And if any changes happening, and that case, if you want to run automatically, there is a triggers argument. So in it, here I am calling timestamp. So based on your timestamp, and whenever if you change script, and automatically if you run your script, automatically it will trigger. That's it. I hope you got it right. So that is the null interval. Also one or two people they asked what is the null resource. Now you got it right. So null resource means what is the purpose and why you go for so null resource. Now one more. Now if it is clear, let's move on to one more resource. Anyone any doubt here? Clear?
Yes.
Yes sir. Okay. Now we know right. So this is my AWS instance. Now come to here. Where is this? This is my instance. Click on running instances. If we click on here, now if we come to here, if we come to here, storage. If we come to here, storage. Now see here, what is the default storage size, guys? 8 GB. I know, I hope everyone know what is EBS, elastic block storage. And so already sir also explained in AWS how to create elastic block storage and how to assign this elastic block storage to your instance, manual steps. Correct. Now if you go here volumes, first we need to create the, first we need to create the, first we need to create this. First we need to create one volume here, and same what you know, right, some rules also. If you want to attach EBS volume to any instance, what is the first, make sure what is the step we need to remember. For example, my instance is running, so US East 1A. For that instance I want to attach my EBS. So what is the mandatory steps, guys, where we have to create EBS also? Hmm, మర్చిపోయినారా?
Same,
Same region where we
region,
have to create same
same.
region, otherwise it won't work, right? So first we need to create, first we need to create one volume. And so if you go these volumes, so now observe here, these all are the unused, these are the volumes only, right? 2 GB. Okay, now this is our, see here, volume state. These are the volume state. So what is this? These volumes already you in use. What is the in use means? Already attached to
Instance.
any instance. Already it is attached to some instances. So that is the available means that in that volume is not attached to any instance. That volume is not attached to any instance. So these are the basic steps. Now same thing, how to implement via Terraform script. How to implement via Terraform script. Okay. So if you want to implement via Terraform script, and just we need to, one more resource is available, and just go and check it here first. Go to here, and so Terraform. All right. Just first let me check it. So that is documentation and all. This is very simple only. If you know how to add, go to documentation, and what is that? So EBS, right? So EBS. Okay. So Elastic AWS EBS value. Elastic ABS EBS value. So size, availability zone, size, see here, already they given some syntax and all. Same way we have to so use it. Same way we have to use it. Okay. EBS snapshot. So these are the all the resources. Now see here. So these all are the resources, and whatever you want, so we can use it. So whatever you want, we can use it. And also AWS volume attachment. We have to use this also. Once volume is create, and we have to attach, right? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
How it will work? Suppose if we create one instance here, sorry, one volume here. After creating volume, how we are attaching? So for example, here I created one volume. See here, volume, and just I'm giving um, type. Where is that name? Availability zone. Okay. Now it is created. Created or not? Manual, I know, right? How to create and all. Same steps. If you know manual steps, we can easily understand this automation part also. Let me check it whether it is created or not. 100 GB it is created. Let me delete delete this one. Actions, delete this value, I don't want. So manually, how to create, guys? Manually, same, select values, create value, and this is the same only. I want so 1 GB enough for me, and so 1 GB enough for me, and where it is creating US East 1A, that zone is available US East 1A, and wherever we want we can select, and this is the snapshot, and so encrypt this value, I don't want, and so use the optional tag, no tag associated with resource. Testing, I given, just add testing, and okay, remove this one, and that's it. Create value. So create value, now I created value, right? And if you want to attach this value, and so first make sure that so where is your instance, which availability zone your instance is running, same availability zone we have to do it. Okay, now see here, it is creating, your volume is creating. Once volume is ready, select that volume name, and select it is asking also instance. I hope everyone right. So now see here, this is available, and this is available, and why tag name added. Okay, this is same process, right? Select this, go to action, and attach value, and here it is asking so instance. So in US East 1A, and if you select here, no matching running instance are available here. So there is no instances available same region and also running. Okay, and if you already available, just select and add it. That's it. And same story, how to implement via Terraform script. So if you want to implement, we need to use two resources. So one is first create the value, and the second one is we need to attach that value. Now got it, guys? These are the resources. See here, value attach, attach, and what is the device name, and what is the value ID, and what is the instance ID you want to attach, and this is the which instance. Anyone any doubt here? Clear, guys? First we need to create the value. Correct. So once volume is created, same steps, so manually how we are creating, same steps we are implementing in Terraform script also. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you already practically, if you tried, uh, okay. So now we can easily understand. So what are the steps we are going to here? Now coming to here, now I am going to here, and so now see here, our same steps I am going to execute here also. So this is where I created somewhere, right? This is which file, where it is, resource cts os, not here. Let me copy, and just simply I will show you which path I am in. Instance type I don't want. Now see here, just I am running so only two things. So one is so aws underscore ebs underscore volume and volume name. Okay, now which file I want to, where is this script? This script is running under which Terraform. So EC to TF, EC to TF. I'm going to add EC to TF. So this is right. Now see here, wherever we want, we can add it. This is trigger and all. And so let me, this is the resource tag, and let me add so at the end. Okay. Mm, trigger here. Just add it here. So first, what is this resource name? Hmm, It is not copied. Where is that? Control C. Same only, just you are copying from internet and just copy and paste it. Apart from this, nothing. So now see here, create EBS value. So resource name AWS underscore EBS underscore value. Just now already we saw, right? So how to check it, this and all, EBS value. So you see here, AWS underscore EBS value. This is the tag. Just copy and paste, and just copy and paste and same tag. That's it. No need to do anything. And tag name. This is tag only. But anyway, here I updated, right? So resource. What is the resource name? AWS underscore a resource. This is our black, right? AWS EBS value. And we can give any name, guys. We can give any name. And so availability zone. So actually you don't know, right? Where is my instance is created? So now if you go here, so this is my instance. Now if you go, where is this attached? EC2 instance, and this is my instance. Now this instance was created which region, which availability zone? US East 1D, right? So if you come to here, so actually first which resource tag it is executing? EC2, right? This is the AWS underscore instance. It is creating so one region. We don't know whether it is creating a US East 1 or whether it is creating US East 2 or whether it is creating US East 3. So how to get dynamically? So that case we need to use so your resource name dot your resource name. This is your type and name, and we need to use so that availability zone. That is the syntax here. See here, AWS underscore instance, and what is this resource name? I need to update this resource name. Now go here. I don't know where it is creating exactly. That is the reason. This is my name. Correct? Copy that name and so come to here, paste it. Where is that? Here. And so availability zone. What is this meaning, guys? Where your instance was created, which availability instance it is created, we are getting that availability zone only. That's it. And size. How much size you want, guys? I want 3 GB hard disk size. And what is the tag name? What is the tag name? And DevOps volume, DevOps EBS. We can give any name. This is the only two lines. So this is the resource and resource name, and also availability zone. Which availability zone you want to create? I am getting this availability zone dynamically. Dynamically means once instance was created, we don't know, right, where it is created. So if you want to get it, so this is the syntax. So this is your resource name, and this is your name, that so local name, and so availability zone. If we get it, or if you want to, we can print it also. Now how to print it, guys? There is a one tag is there, output tag, and with the help of we can print it. Now see here whether what is this availability zone, right? Check add a availability check zone. Okay, I given, and same just copy and paste it. What is this? This name. Which availability zone instance was created? Same availability zone it will going to update. So now see here. Where is that? Go a little bit here. Not here. Here, right? AWS underscore availability zone. That's it. This is output. For your understanding purpose, just I am printing which availability zone it is coming and all. Just print it. Okay, as of now I didn't explain, right, what is variable, what is output and all. So this is only for printing purpose, for understand. Okay, now once that is done, and so we need to attach. See, there is one more resource, AWS volume attach. This is also same only. If you go here, so there is a AWS volume attach. This is also one resource name. Okay, now copy this same thing. See here, device name and volume ID and instance ID. If you know manually, this is very silly. So, device name same thing only, volume ID. So what is this volume ID? AWS VBS volume dot, and so what is name I given, guys? Same name we have to. So this is name, right? Same name, and I want to get that volume ID and instance ID. How to get instance ID? AWS underscore instance, and what is that resource name I given here? Same name I have to update. What is that? If you go here, this is my instance resource name, and copy this name. Okay, and coming to here, so coming to here, where is this? Here. That's it. That's it. So I created one EBS I created one EBS value. What is the size of my EBS, guys? 3. And so dynamically I am getting my availability zone. Where is my instance? Same availability zone. I am creating one EBS value, and that EBS value name is I given tag name this one, and I am attaching. See here device name and ID. How to get volume ID? This is the syntax. So EBS volume name for dot your name, that is EBS name, and ID. ID means it will get ID only. If you want to print, we can print it also. See here copy. How to print it, guys? Because that is output only. That's it. Copy this one X and just paste it. Give any name. Get volume ID. Whatever name we can give it. Save. Now before that, right? Let me delete my existing infrastructure and all. Or manually also we can delete it. Go to here and go to here. Select here. Just terminate the instance. So here anyone any doubt, guys? That's it. So now I created one value. I created one EBS value. My volume size is I given 3. My hard disk size I given 3. And so once that is done, and I am attached. How to attach? Only these and all everything available in document. Just go and first you need to know how to search and all. See here there is a two resources available. Correct? So one is how to attach volume, and second one is how to create volume. So first one, this is the first one, EBS volume. This is a copy and paste it based on requirement. Just update it. That's it. So no need to do anything. And how to attach? So this is the EBS underscore volume underscore attach, and if you go here just copy and same name ID based on your right resource configuration, we have to update this one, and this is your AWS instance ID. That's it, guys. Here anyone any doubt? If it is clear, now I am going to execute it. Clear, Srinagar? Come to
Yeah,
here.
clear.
Okay, now come to here. Just come to here dashboard. Just refresh it. I don't have anything, and so now I'm coming to here. So Terraform, okay, plan. So now see here, first execute the plan and all. First execute the plan and all. Now do we have any errors? Now see here, these are the plan. So now see here, plan is 4. Now what are those here, guys? So one is attached. So these are the plans. So see here, so will be create volume. This is your so if you want to, we can check your plan and all. See, will be create. Now so let me create name. Okay, so now everything clear, right? So finally I'm going to execute it. So go down and here apply 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 and hyphen so auto hyphen approve. That's it. So now go and check it here. So it is creating one instance, and it is running my script as well, and also it is creating one EBS value, and so this EBS value it is attached to your instance. This is our whole story. That's it. Null, it is creating a null, it is executing null referee resource also, and once that is done, and it is executing script, and once that is done, it is creating one EBS value. HTTP it is creating installing HTTPD server, that is instance also creating AWS underscore instance name. Now it is connected, instance connected, and now it will execute so that provisioner remote exec installing some setup, and also EBS also created, right? See here, and the script also executed, and also it is attached everything. So whatever you done, and that enable that also, and creation completion 26 seconds. Okay, just wait. till it is creating. That's it. Now see here. So which availability zone, it is echo statement, right? Output I given. So this is my volume ID, get volume ID, and this is your public IP, and this is your ID. This is your ID. Okay. Now if we go here, so instance volume availability zone attached. Okay, AWS instance ID. That's it. Now go to here. Now final step. Go to dashboard and click on running instance. Now one instance is creating, and so if you want to, we can check it. So now see here, it is 1D, correct? Where it is created 1D only. So this is the availability zone. I printed also, right? And same availability zone, it is created one volume. It is created one volume also. If you go and check it, volume, and it is creating one volume. What is that volume name, guys? 3 GB. What is the volume name? 3 GB. And what is my volume name? Dev apps. Dev apps EBS, as that is typo error. I given some name, right? So see here, dev OS, that is a tag, right, tag name, that is typo. Okay, this is the dev app. Same name it is created or not? Now we can check it. See, it is created. Now, how to check whether it is attached or not? Anyone, guys? How to check this volume is attached or not? Now, volume was created. There is no issue. Okay, 3 GB volume created. Now, how to check? How to check whether it is really attached or not, this instance? Anyone?
Instance. Go to instance.
Go to instance. Click
Volume.
on this. Go to
Volume.
instance. Go to here. Click on here. Click on instance and go down. And there is a storage, right?
Storage. Yeah.
Storage. Under storage, now check it whether it is attached or not. Now see
Attached.
here, 3 GB is attached or not.
Yeah. Attached.
That's it. 3 GB is attached. 3 GB is attached. This is a GUI level, and the same thing we can check CLI also. Right? Uh, LS, BLK, block storage, or F disk. Right? With the help of that commands also we can check it. That is the CLI level, CLI. And anyway, we saw right, GUI level. Now see here. So this is the attached. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? This script. Okay. So this is for creating EBS volume, and this is attached EBS volume to particular instance. That's it. Very only two lines only. So this and all everything we are getting from API only. And if you go and we can check it. So this is how to create EBS volume, and so how to attach so EBS volume. Okay. If you want to attach, we can select attach. If you want to create, we can EBS volume, and this is attach. This is the creation, this is the attach. That's it. I hope you got it right.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it from my side. Now we know, right, what is null resource, and so right, so how to create EBS volume, and how to attach that EBS volume to your instance dynamically, or else manually also we can give. But anyway, here I am getting a dynamic. So where my instance is created, I am getting that availability zone, and same availability zone I created my EBS, and I attached that EBS to my instance. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So that's it from my side. If you have any doubt, we can ask.